My name is Jana Gajdošová. I work on justice issues at the EU's Fundamental Rights Agency. In this video, I would like to introduce to you our legal handbook on access to justice. Why? Because we think that this handbook could be a useful, practical guide for you. It summarizes the key European legal standards on access to justice as set out in the EU's Fundamental Rights Charter and the European Convention on Human Rights. It contains leading case law from the two European courts, but also from the United Nations. This handbook was prepared by our agency and the Council of Europe together with the European Court of Human Rights. I will now show you in more detail what you can find in the handbook and how to use it. There are 8 chapters which cover the most relevant aspects of access to justice. These are what access to justice actually means, fair and public hearing, legal aid, the right to be advised, defended and represented, the right to effective remedy, limitations to access to justice in general, length of proceedings, plus access to justice for selected groups such as people with disabilities or people deprived of their liberty. At the start of each chapter, you will find the key issues outlined. There are references to EU and Council of Europe standards. These standards include key case law and articles from the EU Charter and the European Convention on Human Rights. This will help you to quickly find the information to address your legal question. Yellow boxes at the start of each section provide a quick and accessible summary of the content. There are also more details on selected case law examples from the two European courts. They illustrate the practical application of the key principles of access to justice. They also demonstrate how the two legal orders, the Council of Europe and the EU, work in parallel in this area. The handbook will be updated regularly and is available in almost all EU official languages. It can be downloaded from our website, or you can order hard copies free of charge from the EU publications website. Not only that, we also have other handbooks on different areas, such as data protection, asylum, non-discrimination, or rights of the child. We hope this video was useful for you, and it gives you a flavor of the handbook that can serve you in your daily legal work. Thank you for your attention.